that ain't here. Tires start screaming, but I'm not on the gas. Steering wheel twitching like it's moving me fast. I try to kill the engine, key wouldn't turn. Now the whole damn going like it's starting to burn. It's a midnight test drive, can't slow it down. Road keep stretching, ain't no way around. If I don't come back, don't ask me why. She don't wanna drive her, just a soul inside. Dear anyone, if this tape ever gets found, don't rebuild what you dragged from that scrapyard ground. I hear voices in the pistons, screams in the gears. Every mile I drive just feeds their years. Brakes went dead about a mile ago, and the road turned to somewhere I don't even know. No street signs, no lights, just endless black. And I swear I seen headlights, then they faded back. She ain't just metal, now I got it wrong. It's every wreck, every life that's gone. Now she redline, screaming, needle buried deep. And she just locked the doors, I can't even leap. Midnight test drive, can't escape the ride. If you hear this, don't turn the key, don't try. Engine's still running, but I ain't driving anymore.
On the dashboard, midnight on the dial. Streetlight reflections stretching out for miles. Chrome dreams on the screen, engines talking back every Friday night. Fell larger than the map, turbo hits, cassette clicks, destiny on wheels. Fiction felt so real when the tires squealed. Heroes didn't fly, they drove into the fight. Neon burning rubber through the edge of night. They said it's just a show, just a flickering frame, but those keys in the ignition never felt the same. We were chasing something more than just the plot, trying to outrun the clocks that we forgot. We were chasing the night till the end of the road. Headlights cutting through the stories we were told. From the glow of the dash to the fire in our veins. Yeah, the wheels kept turning when life changed. It didn't fade, it didn't bend. Those engines still echo in the end. Red scanner heartbeat cutting through the dark, blacked out muscle car playing chess with the sparks. Four guys in the van with the plan and the grin. If you had a problem, they were rolling in. Then the sky went quiet, rotor blades held tight. Shadow in the clouds disappearing from sight. Black helicopter humming like a loaded gun. Airwolf in the night when the mission's begun. Orange blur jumping gaps, never slowing down. Ferrari lines carving heat through the town. Every ship felt heavy with a reason to run. We were learning who we were by the races we won. We were chasing the night till the end of the road. Stealing shadows in the stories we were told. From the ground to the air, yeah, we lived untamed. Wheels kept turning even when life changed. It didn't fade, it didn't bend. Those engines still echo in the end. Time keeps moving, screens go dark, but I still hear it when the engine starts. From burning tires to the silent sky, we learn to run, we learn to fly. Fire! We were chasing the night till the end of the road. Every mile, every mission, every code. When the credits roll and the lights descend, I still feel it calling me back again. It didn't fade, it didn't bend. Those engines still echo. Yeah, they echo.
This ain't about where you started. It's about where you refuse to stay. Let's go! Yeah! Yeah! I grew up in a house where the walls never talked. Only echoed every slam, every scream, every shock. Had a childhood full of storms, no umbrella, no calm. Learned early how to swallow every bruise on my arm. But pain is a teacher and I studied every lesson. Turned fear into fuel, turned the trauma into weapons. Every night I dreamed bigger than the fist that I dodged. Told myself I'd break the cycle even if the world mocked. I was raised in the fire but I walked out forged. Every you'll never make it, only sharpen my sword. Now I'm standing on the edge of everything they said I lose. And I'm ready for the moment, I refuse to be abused. You only get one life, better rise when it hurts. Better fight through the past, better climb through the dirt. When the world says quit, you say watch me change. This is your time, your voice, break the chains. You came from the dark, now you're built for the light. Every scar on your soul is a badge from the fight. They try to hold you down but you rose through the pain. Now you're standing here breathing, break the chains. I remember being small, wishing someone would save me. Now I'm grown and I'm the hero that the kid in me needed. I turned anger into purpose, turned the hurt into drive. Turned the nights I felt broken into reasons to survive. See, dreams don't die, they just wait for you to rise. Wait for you to stop believing all the childhood lies. I was told I'd be nothing, just a shadow, a ghost. Now I'm living every dream that I wanted the most. I'm proof that your past doesn't get the last word. That a kid with no voice can still grow to be heard. So I'm shouting for the ones still trapped in the rain. Hold on, stand up, you can break the chains. You only get one life, better rise when it hurts. Better fight through the past, better climb through the dirt. When the world says quit, you say watch me change. This is your time, your voice, break the chains. You came from the dark, now you're built for the light. Every scar on your soul is a badge from the fight. They try to hold you down but you rose through the pain. Now you're standing here breathing, break the chains. This is for the kid who cried alone in the night. For the grown-up now learning how to step into the light. You're not broken, you're forged, and now weak you endured. Your story ain't over, it's just getting cured. Yeah. It's just getting cured. What? So here's to the dreamers who were raised in the fire. To the ones who were told they never climb any higher. Look at you now, standing tall, unafraid. You're the storm, you're the spark, you're the life you remade. No more chains on your wrist, no more fear in your chest. You survived what they couldn't, that alone makes you blessed. Now go chase every dream that your heart ever claimed. You didn't just escape, you overcame. You're all going to die down here!
13 scars, calling out my name from the corners of the dark. I'm breathing in the ashes, running from the past. Shadows following me, 13 on my back. Darkness at my side, lies and pulls me back.
The 13 shadows always follow me to the darkness.
City lights blurred by, I don't know where I am. Just a rush I need, got a florid man. Engine roars a song, tonight we can't go wrong. Need for speed is all I crave. Gotta plant my feet, let the engine pay. Heartbeat drumming fast, every turn a chance to lose it all, to crash. But I got a damn
Wind through the weeds where the chrome used to shine. Moon on the rust like a ghost in the pines. Engines are silent, but they still remember fire and steel that ain't died in the embers. Out in the yard where the dead ride sleep, buried in dust 6 feet deep.
Out in the graveyard where the old steel rots, broken headlight looking like a dead man's watch. Moonlight dripping off a cracked windshield, rust in the bones but the motor still feels. Hear that whisper in the cover in the throat, like a ghost in the can when the crankshaft floats. Every bolt got a story in the midnight fog, every frame like a skeleton under the bog. Chrome like teeth in a skull, green shine, bottle seats smelling like gasoline time. They say junk is junk when the years go by, but a hot rod heart never truly dies. In the rusted grave, where the coal still sleeps, hear the engines crying under 6 feet deep. Ghosts in the gears and fire in the rods. Rust never killed the heart of a hot rod. Hear the wind rattle chains on a 69 door like a demon knocking from the motor core. Pistons dreaming while the moonlight gleams, fuel in the blood of forgotten machines. Dead battery bones, but the soul still sparks. Ghost in the header singing through the dark. You can bury the steel, but the ray still grows like thunder asleep in the camshaft bones. Spy Creek crate turns slow in the graveyard night, like a beast waking up from a rusted bite. Dust fly high when the pistons breathe, iron resurrection in the midnight breeze. One by one those headlights blaze, chrome coming back from the rusted haze. Graveyard gates can't hold that sound when 1,000 horses shake the ground. From the rusted grave, now the engines scream, still resurrection like a rebel dream. Hot rod thunder, break the night apart. You can bury the body, but you can't kill the heart. Rust to roar, dust to dry, dead steel rising, back alive.
Red clay on my boots, dust hanging in the heat. Radio hum some old hymn, seatbelt dragging across the seat. Sheriff in the rear view, blue lights sniffing for a fight. I just smile, ease that pedal, disappear into the pine line night. I'm running these dirt roads like an hazard, grinning at the danger in my way. Skidding round the curve hard, beating faster, praying I can make it one more day. If trouble is a flame, I am the gasser. Still I keep on riding, come what may. I'm running these dirt roads like Dukes and Hazzard, but I ain't turning back today. his old county map, folded soft as Sunday cloth. Every turn a story told, every fence post, every cross. Moonlight on the mailbox, mama waiting at the screen, says, boy, you chase that wild wind, but don't you lose the man you mean. I'm running these dirt roads like an hazard, grinning at the danger in my way, skidding round the curve hard, beating faster, praying I can make it one more day. If trouble is a flame, I'm the gasser, still I keep on riding come what may. I'm running these dirt roads like Dukes and Hazards, but I ain't turning back today. Every mailbox, every mile knows my sins by name, but this beat up, busted smile keeps rolling just the same. Oh yeah, if the lawman wants my shadow, he can chase it through this clay, 'cause my soul belongs to Jesus, but my wheels, they love to stray. I'm running these dirt roads like an hazard, grinning at the danger in my way, skidding round the curve hard, beating faster, praying I can make it one more day. If trouble is a flame, I'm the gasser, still I keep on riding come what may. I'm running these dirt roads like Dukes and Hazards, till the Lord calls me away. Rust on the fenders, dust on the floor, coffee in a thermos, keys on a nail by the door, posters peeling
turning